Hello, in this video I will show you how to record screen on Honor Pad X8. So you have to start with scrolling down from top of your screen and then do the scan, and here click on screen recorder, and as you can see now you have to allow this screen recorder application to use your microphone. And now there is a pop-up that this feature will record your screen and all operations on your screen, and it requires access to your microphone, and you have to click OK. And here it shows you how to use this application, and you can click got it. And as you can see, my screen is now recording, and you can see that here the seconds are going up. And if you click on this clock, your recording will stop, and here you can drag this frame up and it will share it automatically. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like and subscribe.